there, Astrid here at our beautiful community called Grosvenor Heights. I'm so happy and delighted to let you know that we are nearly 75% sold out. This particular community, which is nestled in a wooded enclave, is within walking distance to the Bethesda trolley trail, a park, Grosvenor-Strathmore Metro, and in addition, we are within close proximity to Wildwood Centre. For you to experience this brand new Everett model home, how about we start from the ground up? Come, follow me. One of the greatest things about the newest Everett model is when you walk into the front door, you will actually have this beautiful multi-generational suite for your friends and family to enjoy. It has a bedroom, a bathroom, a sink, as well as a sitting room. Now we're here in the spacious main level, which you can actually get up here in two different ways, either the staircase or in the state-of-the-art elevator. One of the things that I love about this space is that you have these wonderful high ceilings, plenty of space to host friends and family for a cocktail, and this wonderful island here in the middle of the actual kitchen. Now on our upper level, which is where our owner and bathroom suite is located, two walk-in closets for you to choose from, and down the hallway, two bedrooms, full bathroom, and my favorite, the walk-in laundry. One of the most popular aspects about our homes here at Grosvenor Heights are our rooftop terraces. They are beautiful outdoor spaces with a state-of-the-art grill, a wet bar, and a gorgeous fireplace to set a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. If you're interested in learning more and taking a tour of our townhomes here at Grosvenor Heights, I'd love the opportunity to chit-chat with you and maybe help set up an appointment for you to come in and take a tour. Feel free to give me a call at 301-830-4335. All the best. Bye.